Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about the file group backup and the split backup. In the last class we have discussed full differential logs, and after that we have discussed tail log backup, copy only backup. And in this videos we will discuss about the file group backup and split backup. First, file group backup. What is file group backup? Suppose this is our servers and here is the databases. Okay, so here is all the databases are there inside this database. Suppose in any of the organization these databases are very big, 100 TB or 200 TB, 5 TB, something like that. So it's quite difficult to take the backup of whole the databases. So sometimes the application teams drop a mail to take up only particular file of that databases. Okay, so here's the cognizant. uh, I'm clicking over here's properties and this file. So here we can able to see we have two files, data file and the log file. So let's add another one file. Add cognizant cognizant 2. I have added database file 1. Okay, now I'm adding in the file group also in properties file group. Here file group, I'm just adding one file group. So here I've added. Now we need to take a particular file group. So how can we take same pattern, same script we need to follow? Task, backup. Then I'm keeping over here backup options in the compress mode. First, every time we need to keep in the compress because it will take less space. Okay, so here I'm okay. So everything is fine. Backup type is full and everything is full. Okay, so just click over here, file in the file groups. Once you click file in the file groups, you get an option of this type, rows. In the rows it's primary have two data file, cognizant and cognizant 2. So if the application team or the owner wants only second data file is backup, so you just click over here second files. Okay, click OK. Now remove this one, add a path, then cognizant file group. Okay, okay, script it out, close this. Now here we can able to see the same pattern is there. Backup database name file. Here we need to mention the file and cognizant underscore 2, which is the secondary data file. To disk, the path, visits and compression stats 10, everything is the parameter is the same. Okay, only we have added here the file number. If we want to take particular rows, suppose I'm just showing you here file group. If you want to take the particular rows, remove this ones if you want. So here I don't have any row, so here's the row. If any if so many rows are there, if you want to take the log file, you can able to take the log file. If you want to take secondary data file, you can take the secondary data file. Okay, canceling over here, I'm canceling this one. Okay, execute. Okay, backup database file successfully processed. Now let's see whether it's completed or not. Cognizant file group here 16 KB with a compressed mode I have taken. So in this way we need to take the File group backup. File group backup is very important and it's generally used in the math of the organization. So let's see some technical we have seen. Now let's see over here the practical theoretical things. So this is a file group backup, and uh, where you backup one or more file groups of a databases instead of backing up the entire databases. Okay, it is mainly used for very large databases are there where taking full database backups become time consuming and storage intensive. Database in SQL Server is divided into primary file groups contain primary data files and system tables. User defined file groups are additional logical storage groups. So in interview, if the interviewer asks, so you need to reply in this way. Okay, now we are coming over here the split backup. What is a split backup? Split backup in SQL Server refers to backup techniques where a large database backup is divided into multiple backup files. Means split backups we are taking in split manner. Suppose your database size is 10 TB, writing backup to a single disk may take many hours. I'm making you understand over here. Here is a server. I'm taking a new query. Okay, so here's the AWS. Suppose this AWS is in big size. This database is in big size, and we have only one drive where we can't able to take the backup file for that in compressed mode also. Okay, so what happened, we will split the backup file in 2 to 3 form different files. If we split it, we can able to take very easily, time will take less. I'm showing you how. Same method, I'm just taking a scripting out backup. There is backup. I'm removing here backup option, compress. In the general, we need to add a backup path. Same path we need to follow, just giving file name AWS 01.back. So back extension is back. Okay, script it out because we need to modify the script. So here is the backup database name to disk, which is a path, and these are the parameters, start spawns, etc. So here is one file. We are taking the whole backup in one file. Now we are splitting this backup, this file into different form. So what I have done, I have split the whole file into 5 files. Okay, so suppose the database size is very big, 10 TB. I have divided into 5 files. That means 2 TB, 2 TB, 2 TB each. What is the benefit? Benefit, it will take, if we change the path in the different drive, it will goes the different file into the different drives, and it will take less time, and it will means it is a good compared to. Let's execute it. Let's see, I'm executing this backup. It is terminating abnormally. Why AWS 0? Okay, what I have done, I haven't changed the backup file. We need to change the name of the backup file. Okay, file, here is one file is there, so I'm changing over here 02 03 04 05. Okay, now let's execute it. Okay, so I have executed, it's done. Let's have taken, let's see in the path here, AWS 01 backup 02, 03, 04, 05. In different file the backup has been taken. Okay, so this is only called, let's close this one. This is only called the split backup. What is the split backup? We are taking the backup in splitting the files. That's called the split backup. Most of the environments, this type of backups are using to take the backup quickly. So if you like this video, subscribe to DBA Guardians, and I'm also preparing for the DBA courses. So please connect with me. Thank you very much.